Hey everybody, Dr. Daria here with your latest hack, taking the latest in science to make your life healthier, better, and easier. And today we are going to ask you a question. With your salmon and your vegetables and all the healthy things you're eating, you have a side of plastic with that? Because if you are cooking or storing your foods in plastic containers, the truth is you are. So today's hack is about how to keep you and your family safe and healthy. Here's the truth about plastics. You probably heard about BPA, and then everybody rushed out and bought BPA-free plastics. The truth is, even the BPA-free alternatives are just as bad as BPA in terms of what we call endocrine disruptors, meaning that they mess with our hormones and they mess with our metabolism and increase our rate of obesity for ourselves and our kids and increase the rate of chronic conditions. So these are bad things. You don't want this in your food. Here's what to do. Couple of rules for you to make it really easy so you don't have to worry about this. Number one is, as much as possible, cooking and storing your food, you're going to want to use glass or stainless steel instead of plastic. So I have a couple of examples here. Here's a glass one. This is from Glasslock. I have another glass. I stock up on this, especially go to the store when there's sales. I buy a ton. This one's from Pyrex. And then this for when my kids need to go to school and take snacks, and so you don't really want to send them with glass. I send them with stainless steel. These are from Tavva. So loving these, love all of these. You want to always store or cook in these. And so that also means if you buy those things at the grocery store that say microwave in the bag, no, do not do that. Instead, pour it into a glass container without the lid and microwave it that way. Rule number two is you don't want to put plastic in the dishwasher, because then again, the chemicals will start leaching into everything else. Of course, if these lids touch meat, or especially raw meat or dairy or just anything gross, I'll throw them in the dishwasher then. But otherwise, as much as possible, I hand wash plastic, and it's not too much. You can get it done pretty quickly. Keep it out of the dishwasher. And then your third rule, sadly, avoid those little cutesy plates, those little Mickey Mouse plastic plates and all those they have more chemicals that are gonna leach into your kids' food. So as soon as they're old enough, switch them to your plain white ceramic dishes and it will be healthier for them. Remember, try these yourself today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help everybody answer these really important questions, and share this with another mama who's just trying to keep her family healthy. Because the reality is, all it takes are tiny strategic steps to take back control of your health and feel like yourself again. Most of all, remember, you've got this. Bye-bye.